Were you trying to get crazy with this, eh? Don't you know I'm loco?
Whether it's a low-budget PC or building a 17,000 or even 40,000 ringgit gaming system, Lucro PC has got you covered. Check out the link below for a free system quote today. Alright, let's talk serious for a little bit. Now, what is it with expensive stuff? Don't get me wrong, I do love the good stuff, the expensive stuff, you know, the high-end, high-quality stuff. But I would like to know what is going on with all these expensive stuff that is going on in the market right now. So especially right now, we're talking about the Topre Realforce RGB keyboard, which is a Topre switch, and it is priced at 1,200 at the most average, and its highest peak is 1,600, and if you're lucky enough you can get the keyboard for 999 ringgit. So that depends on where you get it. The price is fluctuating like crazy in the market right here in Malaysia, and I don't know why is it so expensive. But a lot of the price comes in at a premium because of the build quality of the keyboard itself. It's so well built, it's so sturdy, it's so strong, it's so good. The keycaps are double shot, and the Topre keys are very high quality. It's like 50 million keystrokes, and it's got RGB as well. Did I mention that? But why though? I mean, even the Corsair K95 Platinum is about 900 ringgit. About 700 to 900 ringgit, again depending on where you get it. And that itself is a very good keyboard already. But this Topre Realforce RGB is 1,000 plus, a keyboard that is 1,000 plus ringgit. Now, one of the main key features of this Topre Realforce RGB keyboard is, I think what makes it expensive is because of its actuation point. You can change the actuation point from 1.5 millimeters to 2.2 millimeters and 3 millimeters. I've tried it, I've played with it, I've gamed on it, and I don't think it has a real world application during games. Okay, if you guys know what the real world application is, just comment down below. I would like to know what type of situation would you use it on. I mean, if let's say I were to play a Twitch game, an FPS game where I want really fast responses, I would obviously put the switches on 1.5, and then if I wanted to type, then I would still want it to be 1.5 millimeters. Then if I wanted to customize, well, you can customize each switch to, you know, whatever actuation point you want it. Each single switch on the keyboard, you can switch it to whatever actuation point you want it. But then again, you know, just let me know, please let me know down in the comments below. Give me a situation where this actuation change is really applicable, because for me, myself, my experience, I would like to have all the switches to be 1.5 millimeters, and I would not want anything else. Now, this is my opinion. Of course, you might have a different opinion as well. That's why I asked you to put down in the comments below, tell me what you think. Okay, aside from that, the software is very well built. There were no lags, there were no problems installing the software, switching the keys, saving profiles, saving you know your customization, your macros and everything. It was all a breeze, it was all good. The software is really good, it's really optimized. Wait, or is the price expensive? That expensive is because it's from Japan, that's one thing. Second is the build quality is like really good. It's so good, it's built like a tank, and the software is really optimized, and the actuation point is interchangeable. Is that why it's so expensive? Now, of course, I am just a tech reviewer. I do tech reviews and I give out my opinions, and you're here to hear out what I think about the keyboard and why is it so expensive from a general perspective point of view. What kind of, you know, for me, I'm not a rich man. I'm just a, you know, layman, you know, the average Joe guy who does not have so much money laying around, and I would like to know what you think. about the price, and put down in the comments below what kind of situation the actuation point changes would be very useful. Please do let me know. I myself, again, I do not change it at all. I just leave it at 1.5 and I would have it all on my software, my editing, typing and everything. It's all 1.5 millimeters. I would love a fast, responsive. Again, I'm just a tech reviewer. It may be expensive to me, but it may be 1.5 ringgit to you. So don't forget to like or dislike, comment and share. And this has been a really brief video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Era of the Geeks, baby.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan.